Jai Hind. On the occasion of 70th Raising Day of NCC, I extend my warm greetings to all officers, PI staff, ANOs, WTLOs, GCIs, and cadets. I would also like to extend my gratitude to all our alumni who have contributed in various fields after having spent formative years of the youth in NCC. From a humble beginning in 1948, NCC today is almost 20 lakhs strong and the largest uniformed youth organization in the world. Out of 780 districts in the country today, NCC has a footprint in almost 713 of them. The rich cultural diversity of India is well represented in this organization that epitomizes unity and discipline, which is also the motto of this great organization. I extend my gratitude to the armed forces and all the services for their unwavering support. It is a matter of pride to recall the exemplary role of our cadets during recently concluded Operation Sindoor. Approximately 75,000 NCC cadets participated in the operation, supporting civil administration in civil defense duties, relief material distribution, and medical assistance. NCC has also earned wide appreciation for its meaningful contribution to national initiatives such as Ek Ped Maa Ke Naam and the Vibrant Village program. Adding to these achievements, our cadets have carried the NCC flag to the world's highest peak during the recent expedition to Mount Everest, symbolizing the indomitable courage and determination that defines the NCC. Together, all these accomplishments stand as a testament to NCC's enduring commitment to service, discipline, and nation building. It is often said that the future is uncertain, so we are not sure what kind of future we will be able to give to our youth. But with the qualities of character, discipline, and leadership that we instill in our youth, we are sure that irrespective of the future challenges, our youth are well poised to lead the nation in its journey towards Viksit Bharat. Thank you and Jai Hind.